Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, thank you so much for coming by. Today I have the Ipsy Glambag Plus. So let's talk about this and a few changes that Ipsy's making. So this is my Ipsy Plus box, technically Glam Bag, and there are 3 Glam Bags. There is the original that is $12 and gets you 5 products, generally deluxe sample sizes, but they do throw in a full-size product periodically, and that's $12. There is this Ipsy Plus, which will be 5 full-size products for $25. And there is the Ipsy Ultimate, which is 8 full-size and 4 deluxe samples for $50. We just got in our email yesterday a whole new way that they're going to start doing just the Ipsy Plus. We don't know yet if it's going to start being in the original or the Ultimate also, but for now it's just the Ipsy Plus. But what they're doing is they're going to allow us to now pick 3 of our 5 products. Now the way I read it, it made it seem like they were going to show you several products and you could pick one. Then they would show you several more and you could pick one. So I think we're going to have 3 different sections of products from which we can choose one in each. And then they will surprise us with our last 2 products. I love the idea. You know, a lot of people, me included, have been like, you know, are they paying as much attention as they used to our profiles? And are we getting things that are as useful as we really want them to be? So I think that this will be a great way to let us pick what we want. So, and also it's going to come in a different bag. It's going to come in a drawstring bag, which I kind of like the idea of because I have several places around here that I have makeup for like giveaways or things that I want to try eventually. And what a great way to like gather up lipsticks, and it just looked like a nice little drawstring bag, but they say that it's still going to match our other Ipsy bags that come in our regular Glam and the Ultimate. So this is all going to be interesting. We'll see how it goes. It starts, they say, August 1st to the 3rd is when you'll be able to go in and make your first choices. So let's get into this and see what I've got this month. I actually had to go online because, as you guys know, they haven't been telling us in our paperwork what we have in our boxes. So I went online and wrote down everything that I thought we needed to know about these products. So we still get the piece of paper that says, "Take a break," is our July 2020 theme, but the inside doesn't tell us anything about the products. So let's just dig right in and see what I've got. And let me show you right on top, I have the Tarte C Surfer Curl, and this is a mascara, and this was my choice. This was the first month with Ipsy, I mean, kind of all around, that I've been not as thrilled. I didn't feel like my choices were great. I had problems with my Ultimate. I'll put the link up here if you haven't seen my Ultimate already. I got some repeats and I didn't love the way they dealt with it. It's just not been the best month. So I am so excited to get that email to show us that going forward they're going to start trying to make some changes, because it almost feels like maybe something they've done has gotten away from them. So maybe they're trying to fix it. So we'll stay positive. So the Tarte C Surfer Curl is what I chose for my choice product, and it's just a nice Tarte mascara. It has a $23 value, and it says, "Stop struggling with your lash curler and grab this mascara instead. A few swipes open your lashes for the wide-eyed look. No flaking or smearing. This good-for-you formula is infused with vitamin E and marine algae. It is clean and vegan." Another thing that I just discussed in my Trend Move box, and I will link that, is I received a Marc Jacobs curling mascara, and I decided, because I was doing a try on, to forego my eyelash curler, which I use every day because I have such short, straight lashes. And I said at the end of that, even the Marc Jacobs, you don't really get a curl. If you are looking for a true curl, you've really got to use your lash curler. I'm going to open this because I'm going to try it. I just finished up my Thrive, so I am trying a whole lot of new mascaras. I like that one. It's not too big a brush. You know, you've heard me say in the past, I don't love a big fluffy brush. Oh, it has almost no smell at all, which I really like. So that was my choice for the July box. Reaching in next, I have a Nature's Cartel Brilliant Shimmer Lip Gloss, and that is what that looks like. It looks kind of small. It's just a nice sweet lip gloss with kind of a frosty look to it. And it has a $12 value, and it says, "Non-tacky and non-goopy lightweight gloss feels imperceptible on the lips. Wear alone or layer to make your color pop." Well, let's just swatch a little bit of this. I think I might pass this along to my oldest granddaughter for her to give a shot. Oh, that is so sweet. It's just a little gloss. It has almost, I hope you guys can tell, a little bit of a gold tint to it. But I will tell you, going on my hand, it did not feel gloopy at all. They are right about that. I mean, it feels like lip gloss. You know, it has a little bit of the, you can't have lip gloss and not have a little bit of tack. But Can you see the shine it left when I just rubbed it? That's really nice. So that's just a nice wash of shine that you can use. Oh, they call it VCR Static is the name of the color. Reaching in next, I have the Salmon V-Gene Hydroactive Cream, Total Regeneration and Anti-Wrinkle and Brightening Blended Sodium DNA. It is by Duft and Doft, which I would say I had never heard of, except for when I unboxed my Ultimate a couple of days ago. I had something by them, some kind of hydration smoothing cream. But that is what that looks like, and it is in a plastic overwrap that I'm going to leave it in because I wrote when I made my notes, it says that it has a $27 value. It's full size. Everything in here is full size. And I, in a red star right next to it, wrote licorice root, so I would know not to put this on. So since I can't use this, I will leave it sealed and it can go in a giveaway. This multitasking eye cream hydrates with a silky texture and smooths the eye area for a youthful, dewy glow. Sodium DNA and collagen help with crow's feet. They plump skin and soften the look of lines and wrinkles. Niacinamide helps fade dark circles. So a nice eye cream, but unfortunately I can't use it because of licorice root. Next, I can get to the bag, and it's just a pretty purple bag. It says Wanderlust on the front, Ipsy on the back. It has one of those front zipper ones that we get periodically. And look how cute. The little pull has been the same on all of them this month. It is a cute little airplane, and I know so many people are ready to travel. It's got a real plasticky feel to it. I said when I did my Ultimate, this almost feels like something you could keep wet stuff in. You know, if it was a little bit bigger, you could use it for like a bathing suit bag because it just feels like it would hold up to wet. And next up, and this is also going to go into a giveaway, and this is going to make for a really, really great giveaway. I have a full-size Sunday Riley Luna sleeping oil. I know, it's their night oil, and it is the full, huge, full-sized bottle. This will be awesome in a giveaway. It is a $105 product. This retinol is anything but basic. Retinol is the most effective anti-aging ingredient out there. Cell turnover gets kicked into high gear when you use this, and because retinol is notoriously irritating, they blend theirs with anti-inflammatory botanicals like chamomile and blue tansy. So obviously I am not going to open this. I'm going to set it aside for a giveaway and pass it along for somebody else to love. But again, this is their $25 box. So in a $25 box, I got a $105 Sunday Riley product. That part is amazing. And reaching in for my last product, I have an Il Makiage Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color. And that is what the box looks like. It says the Il Makiage on the side. It's got some serious heft to it. I mean, it's, I don't know what you can tell by that, maybe the sound. It's really heavy. It is a $29 full-size Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color in Newsflash. I'm just going to say it. $29 for a single color. You can buy palettes for $29. You know what? I'm just not a single color girl, so I'm not enamored of it, but we'll get in here and we'll see what the color looks like. This hybrid shadow glides on like a cream, blends like a liquid, and finishes like a powder. Buttery smooth pigments last for hours. All right, well, let's see. How do you open it? Okay, I got it apart, and you just kind of peel it out. This is what it looks like. I will give them 100% for their packaging. This has got serious heft. It's shiny. It's very pretty. I'm trying to decide whether to open it or not. I just don't often use single shadows, but I really would like to see what makes this $29 worth. I'm going to open it up. It is a nice basic brown, so I will probably use it in transition. Oh, more A+ for the packaging. I tell you, you're buying the packaging with this one. See how that is? And from the side, and this just lifts up, and it's magnetic. I mean, they did a great job on the packaging. And it's a huge pan. That is what the color looks like. Super creamy, as it should be. That is what the color looks like. I mean, that's gorgeous. I will give them credit for that. That is gorgeous. Oh, wow. They might make me eat my words. That is a really pretty color. It was super creamy. You know what? I have a brush here. It is a Luxie 229 tapered blending. Let's put a brush to it. You know, we see how well it did with a finger swatch. Let's see how it does with a brush. That's why we always say finger swatches mean nothing. So I'll let you guys see. I mean, I'm getting in there. I'm getting after it. I mean, it's building. You can keep doing it. You can see where I'm putting it down initially so it's not blending so great because it's staying right here because it's so creamy. I almost wonder if this is one you should put on with your finger because it's not doing as well with the brush. That's why we always say finger swatches, they give you an idea for the color, but it gives you no idea on performance. It's still a really pretty color. Okay, so that is my Ipsy Plus box for July 2020. I will, in theory, have 3 products that I know about in my August box because, in theory, I will have selected them. Now, granted, you are choosing from a grouping, so here's hoping you like something in the grouping, but I would think that it seriously increases your odds. So in the July 2020 box, we got our nice July bag, the Tarte C mascara, the Nature's Cartel lip gloss, the highly reflective Il Maquillage eyeshadow, the Duft and Doft eye cream, and the Piece de Resistance, the Sunday Riley full-size Luna Night sleeping oil. That makes it worthwhile. All right, guys, let me know below what you think about my bag and what do you think about the new program, about going in and picking out 3 of your products. Do you think it's a good idea or do you like being surprised? Let me know. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.